I look at woodworking as an art. I look at manufacturing as an art. We're a custom cabinet and millwork shop. We specialize in residential and commercial cabinetry in Hampton, Virginia. Starting a small shop and starting a small business, you go through the motions of buying what works at the time. As you start to grow and evolve a business, you need to buy more solutions than you need to buy just additional equipment. We linked up with Nederman and we figured out what the needs for my company were. And we currently run the S750 with Nordfab piping. Nederman outfitted that with a shaker assembly for us to keep our bags clean through all of our MDF and composite production. Finding a dust collector that was strong enough to handle all of our machines has been just paramount to the transformation of our business. It brought a whole new life and a whole new system to my shop. Every square foot matters. We operate in a 4,000 square foot facility, and the S750 was one of the smallest footprints with the most CFM volume for a dust collector. When I spoke with Nederman, they wanted to listen. They wanted to know what solution I needed. Didn't matter if it was small or big. They spec'd and supplied the right dust collector for our needs. Nederman has helped our product and our process tremendously. The quality and the reliability of the machine is exactly on par with what I expect in my shop.
Regardless of the size of the customer, it's all about the air quality. It's all about creating clean air technologies.